Here's Firas Kopani, and today in our lesson we'll speak about layer properties in AutoCAD and how we can use it and build it. Like in beginning we call our AutoCAD disk, and if you notice it's like up called layer properties. You can click it 2 times and it will be open. If you want to add new layer, you can click here, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it here. And in this window you can see like we can change the type, like if you want to put like middle line, or if you want to put center, or if you want to put punct 2, you can change it from here. And you can change line weight like from here. If you want to put it like 0,2 or 0,5, you can change it from here. Now for us it's really important to use this function. It will help us to draw like fast as we can, because in practice we always need to do stuff like with gas, like we must push it. You must push it. And now we start to build it. Now it will be easy and nothing hard to do it. And now we click escape, but first I must explain stuff for you, like few stuff. Like if you draw a circle like without dimension, and if you notice, if you click it you can move it. If you want to like to fix it and to make it like concrete, you can lock it. Like if you click here and you go to the layer properties and you see this small key like a lock, you can lock it, and now you cannot move it. And this function for us is really important, because you can lock your drawing, anything you draw, and it will be never moved. And now if you want to hide it, this line, you can hide it too, like use it to reference, and after that you can hide it, like say turn off, and it's turned off. And now we will delete it, and we will start to add a few stuff here. Double click, double click again, and now I think first object we will add is dimensions, or dimension. Let's go out again, we click again and we say add, we write dimensions and SION. I think I spell it right. Okay. And now for this we can use like a color like hell blue, and we change now the line. We will do it like 0 punct or comma 2, and I think the type of line will leave it like normal. If we open here, like you see always a solid line, we'll keep it, and here you can change it. If you want to change it, like you can here, like you have like line with punct, or line punct line. You can choose whatever you want or you need, or zigzag. We have it too, and I think we'll stick with this. and it's gone again. I don't know why. And now we will click again and we'll come back here and we will add now a new line, and I think we will call it what we will call it we will call it center line. I'm going to small center line, and we'll stick with color. I think we'll do it with red, and the line weight I think we will do like 0, dry 3.5, and now this is okay. And now we can change the tab if we want, but we will change it because it's center line. I will open it now. With to use center line, I think we'll stick with line, solid line, punct, solid line, punct. We'll choose this, and we'll choose it again, and we say okay. And if you notice now it's changed. And after that we will add new. We'll add the cutting line. Like if we have like subject or part, or you must to cut it, we will stick with green. And we will change it first. We will change the color. Is this only we will use it if you want to cut the stuff, like if you have a shape and you want to cut it, you can use this. And we'll stick with the green. Now we have it. I think we'll stick with 0.15. That would be awesome with this. And just so you know, for you it's really important to choose the color that will be comfortable to you to use it. Even with the line weight, it's your choice, and it's depends from company to company what they give you. Like if they say okay, you must do like dimension with blue or with red, is their decision. I think you can ask before you do any stuff or you add new stuff. And now we will add something really important to us, is helpline or helpline. We can add it here. Just so you know, if you add stuff like here, like from center line, he will copy the center line. He only give you option to change the name, but he will copy all from up. That's why I always go to 0 and do new one. Now we can delete it, and now we will add here. He will copy 0, like it's always everything standard. And now we'll change the name. You can say it's like help linear, or I think we still with help linear, and we will do like shortcut help linear or line. And now we have it. and we'll stick, I think, which color you want. I will go with the yellow. And it's done. And we'll leave it like standard. And now we will put our construction line. It's important for us to do it. We will use it always. Even in example, we will use it always. Now we will put construction line. We click here 2 times and say add. And again we click it and we say add and we write construction into the construction line, and we will do it like, we'll leave it with white, but we will do it like thicker. I think we will go with a 0.5, and now we have our line. And maybe we'll add one more. I think it will be the last. We'll write text and we'll change the color. We'll stick with magenta. We'll take magenta now. Where is it gone? We click again. We click again, and now we will have our magenta. Now we have all the layer properties we need. Maybe we can do like few example now. If you draw like a circle, first we change to construction and we draw like circle. This circle, and now we say we'll put like center line, then we draw a line from here to here, and look, if you notice the center line is not fixed what we had before. We can change it again. We will go inside and change this. I think he take it, but it's too small. We will change it for something better. I think we'll stick with this, and we say okay. And now we will go and see that. We'll delete it. Okay, I think because we draw it too small and we cannot see it. Then we delete it. We draw like, do like big circle. This I think would be enough. We'll change it to construction, and now we want to put the center line. Now it's work, and we want to put center line. This you can use it in a drawing too. And after that, like if you want to put your dimension, you can click here and you can add it. And if like if like you want to draw something like something with health linear, you can do it like if you have like from here and you want to put line from circle to this line, you can click here and you say construction first, we must change it always to this, and now we have it. Like here it's definite, it's like it's fixed with this. Now we don't use this, it's like we only use it to draw the line from the center to this line, and now we want to change to hide it. You can say okay, hide or turn off, and it's gone. That's what we call like health linear. I think we will have like few exercises, maybe 3, and it will be explain more what's mean health linear.